story. Who had a birthday during the week? Birthday today. Oh, it's nice to get a clap on your actual birthday. We might need the rest of the clap until the end though. From Mrs. Bill's class, Chloe Reid. It was a while ago when I look at the date, but you must have been away. Come out and get it anyway. Also from Mrs. Bill's class, Zach Warner had a birthday. From 2B, Joanna Cruikshank. Also from 2B, Kayana had a birthday. Madison Todd. From KC, Matthew Herring. Adrienne Tooley in 2RB.